Well, howdy. It's good to have you in our neck of the woods, deep in the heart of the Ozarks. Here at Silver Dollar City, these hills are a canvas we paint on every day with strokes of modern marble right alongside the tools that got us here. Our citizens are kindling the embers of history and keeping it alive for future generations. But since I got you here, let me tell you a story. This is real history, my friends, a tale that's etched into the land and the people who call it home. It was a night we'd never forget. A band of no-good vigilantes, the Ball Knobbers, set fire to the small mining town of Marmaros, right here on top of Marble Cave. That fire sparked a volunteer spirit that's been burning ever since. You see, whenever trouble comes around these parts, we band together, neighbors helping neighbors. In the Ozarks, we believe there's a hero in everyone, and that's why we need you more than ever. It's time to answer the call and carry on the tradition. Coming to Silver Dollar City in 2024, it's the all-new Fire in the Hole.
Run, boys, run, don't be slow. Fire on the mountain, fire in the hole. Run, boys, run, don't be slow. Fire on the mountain, fire in the hole.
It's the all-new Fire in the Hole, a story that has captured the imagination of millions of riders, now bigger, better, and more fun than ever.
Gather your children and don't be slow. Ball numbers coming, there's fire in the hole. Get your clothes and leave your home. Ball numbers coming and it won't be long.
Now I told you, we're needing heroes, so hop on your pumper wagon and head into town. We're looking for some brave volunteers to put out this fire and help stick it to those pesky ball knobbers. Feel the ground rumble beneath you, hear the crackling fires, and experience the thrill like never before. And try to help out poor old Red Flanders. They've done stole his pants again. Now come on, we got to get across that bridge before it's too late. These wily bandits are no match for our heroes, and our fire chief has a plan. It's time to light the fuse, blast the water tower, and save the citizens of Silver Dollar City. Now let me tell you, this ride is going to be a hootin', hollerin' good time. In fact, it's the largest indoor coaster in the heartland. We're going to sound the alarm spring of 2024, and you're invited. Calling all heroes, it's the all-new Fire in the Hole, and it's only at Silver Dollar City.
Run, boys, run, don't be slow. Fire on the mountain, fire in the hole. Run, boys, run, don't be slow. Fire on the mountain, fire in the hole.